Namaste. June 5 is ahead and is still left to celebrate. Actually, I do have a great idea. Let's celebrate this year's World Environment Day by cutting trees insanely everywhere, by operating factories without environment impact assessment, by polluting air, water, soil, by making fake promises with Mother Earth. Yes, we are preserving and nurturing you, Mom. Unlike previous years, we are caged inside our homes, and in this scenario, the best way we can celebrate June 5, to be straightforward now, is by enlightening and awareing ourselves about environment, ecosystem, the commendable steps to be taken to preserve them, and many more. Thanks for the organizing committee of this program. For providing us with the fruitful chance to get learned about these subject matters in a pretty disguised manner of competition. So here I go with the topic ecosystem restoration. By definition, ecosystem restoration is the process of reversing the degradation of the ecosystem, such as lands, forests, mountains, rivers and oceans, etc., to regain their ecological functionality. This is not only healthy to Mother Nature, animals, but also directly to human beings, as saving one's own home from threats is doubtlessly beneficiary. As UN Decade on ecosystem restoration 2021 to 2030 has been launched by UNEP to curb the decline of natural world. It's the mandatory duty of we, the children, to support this campaign and march for the restoration of ecology with our full determination, energy, and willingness. To boost the idea of ecosystem restoration, various types of ecosystems should be revived as being the most dominant, logical, and able organisms in the planet. It should be our key responsibility to clean up the mess and renovate our home. For this, excessive use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, land pollution, overgrazing, etc., must be avoided to save the major component of ecosystem, soil. Similarly, logging, firewood cutting, wildfires, etc., must be stopped, and over extraction of resources from water resources, overfishing, water pollution, etc., must be halted to safeguard and revive forest and rivers and oceans. Similarly, insane activities and illogical activities in mountain areas should not be done, such that the mountain ecology gets harmed to cause landslides, gulf pollution, and many more. As well as the wetlands, peatlands, grasslands, etc., must be preserved accordingly. The urban areas too has to be managed, and overexploitation of resources in those areas should not be done. There is a strong urge of effective education on environment and ecology for their restoration to speed up and conquer the concept of ecosystem restoration, because it's been so long we've been careless in these matters. But everything will go in vain if timely and correct actions are not taken. But here is good news for all of us. After sowing a seed, we get fruit for sure. So after ecology restoration, the lungs of the mother, the forests cures, desertification reverses, and climate change resilience, the quality of air, water, soil improves, the biodiversity gets protected, the lifespan of humans as well as of other organisms sets longer, the availability and accessibility of the food and water increases to remote areas as well. There is no con of ecosystem restoration. So why? Let's go for it. But for a great kickstart, everyone from their level has to play a part. The government, schools, colleges, students, youth clubs, and many more have to play a crucial role from their level as per their ability and necessity. Last but not the least, it's not that no efforts have been made previously, but the thing is that those efforts were not enough. We know our home planet is in danger, right? Then why? So let's take a pledge to safeguard our environment and home planet. Let's for the lifetime, and let's do it by ecosystem restoration. Thank you.